My name is Veena and today we are going to learn a wonderful topic named number system. So firstly we will discuss about the concept of number system, then like what are numbers, what is number system, and then further we will discuss about the types of number. So let's get started. So first thing which comes in our mind is what are numbers. When we think about numbers, the first thing which comes in our mind is like 1, 2, 3. Yes, you are correct. These are called numbers. Like 1, 2, 3, etc. Or in other words, number is a word or a symbol. Like word or a symbol that indicates a quantity. Like this indicates a quantity 2 units. This indicates a quantity 3 units. Okay. But then what is number system? What is number system? The system of numbers is called number system. As simple as that. Now we will further discuss about the types of numbers. So let's take an example. I have to count something, or like I have these bunch of pens, or I have to count them. So when we count, it starts 1, 2, 3. That's it. Naturally, it comes with 1. So that's it. These are called natural numbers. Like natural numbers. This is the first type. Basically, start with the number 1, etc. Okay. Now let's take another example. That I have 6 number of pens and then I gave them to my friends. I left with 0 number of pens. So these numbers doesn't have number 0. So a new number is introduced, like called whole numbers. Whole numbers that start with 0 digit, like 1, 2, 3, etc. So these are called whole numbers. Let us suppose that we have to solve these kind of equations. Like when we want to solve x equals to -2, but if we see that this number doesn't belong to natural number or whole number, so a new number system is introduced which is called integers. Like we have 0, 1, 2, 3, and we have introduced new numbers called negative integers. -1, -2, -3. These are called integers. These are called positive integers. This is 0 integer and these are negative integers. When we represent this on a number line system, this is the representation of this. Now we will further discuss about the rational or irrational numbers. Now we will further discuss about what are rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where Q doesn't equals to 0. Like rational numbers. For example, like 5/2, 20/3. These are called rational numbers. Now what are irrational numbers? Irrational numbers are those numbers which are not rational. So irrational numbers which are represented in the form of √, like √2, √3. These are called irrational numbers. Now we were usually confused in between what are rational numbers or what are irrational numbers. So here is a trick that we will by which we will understand that what are rational or what are irrational. So when we see that decimal expansion of this number, it is 2.5, or when we see that the decimal expansion of this number, it is 6.6666. Or so we can say that the numbers which have a terminating decimal expansion or which are repeating. These are called rational numbers, or which do not terminate or which are non-terminating or non-repeating, or called irrational numbers. Like we have a number 22/7. It seems to be a rational number, but this is not a rational number, it is an irrational number. Why? When we see the decimal expansion of this number, this is 3.1428 and onwards. Then this number, this is non-terminating or non-repeating. That's why it is called irrational number. Now we will further discuss about the even numbers, odd numbers, and then real numbers. You will see sometimes that some numbers are divisible by 2, completely divisible by 2, and some numbers are not divisible by 2. So which numbers which are completely divisible by 2 are called even numbers, like 2, 4, 6, or -2, -4, or -6, like. Or these numbers which are not completely divisible by 2 are called odd numbers, like 1, 3, 5, -9, etc. Now we will further discuss about real numbers. The combination of all numbers, natural number, whole number, rational, irrational, are called real numbers. Real numbers. So the combination of whole numbers is called real number. Like √2 is also a real number, or 5/2 is also a real number, or -6 is also a real number. That's it for today. Thank you.